piece has been cut out. Now, the next thing, if you remember, this is how we cut out our front piece, this way. But because we are trying to maximize our fabric, we are just going to slope it the other way around. So that, okay, thank you. So that we can efficiently maximize our fabrics. Now, this is it. I'm trying to place it properly to get what I want or what I need. So, see, I'm trying to, and it's properly placed. It's in line. So probably if you want to find if the green line are in the middle, you can as well try to set it from the midpoint. For example, you get 6.5, you try to make sure everywhere aligns 6.5, but this is quite stressful. So 6.5. So basically this shows everything aligns. We're going to extend all our lines here, right? We extend everything. We are cutting the back piece, duly extended to the mid, to the side seam as well, in seam and side seam. Everything is extended. While for this crotch depth, we are going to come down by 0.5, 0.5. Yeah. And if you remember, when calculating our crotch, we deducted 3 inches. After calculating 30 divided by 2, we minus 3 inches. So that 3 inches will be added to the back. To complement the back piece. And that's because the back pattern seems to be, the back part of every human being seems to be bigger than the front. In terms of nature. Yes, thank you. So the next thing now for the side seam, you can come in by 1 inches, 1 inches, then you connect neatly, trying to neatly connect. You see, so here these are constant variables for me. Here is 3 inches. I'll try to maximize everything I have here. 3 inches. Here is 2.5. Here is 2 inches. So the next thing is we'll connect from here to the knee round. Then we use our hip curve and also join neatly from here to this very point. So you see. At the same time, we'll do the same thing for the hemming allowance. So when it comes to the waist part, from this very part, we minus 0.5. 0.5. So this is our sewing allowance. Is excluded from our calculation. Our waist is 40. So when you place from here now, 40 divided by 4, you are going to have 10. Then we are still going to add 1 inches, which is usually for our darts, and then we add 1 to 1.5 inches for hemming allowance for the our sewing allowance, the closing of the back. That's how I have this calculation. The next thing is conditional, not a must. If you want to calculate your hip, we minus 0.5, which is our sewing allowance. We still minus 0.5 if it's not a must. So then you calculate from here to here, we have 11.5. Then from this very part, you still minus 0.5. So you see, from here we place our 0.5. So let's assume our hip is 48 plus 1 inch sewing allowance. we can neatly connect this point to this very point. So use your armor curve. You neatly connect this point to the down line. That's all for the drafting of the back piece of our pant. Thank you guys.